You're gonna turn around and say, I don't think I could do this. Go.
I don't think I can do that.
No laughing. Okay, go. Turn around. Go.
I don't think I can do that.
Your name's Stacy. We're making a movie. This is Chad. You're Stacy.
Unknowingness.
You can't talk to me. Talk to Stacy. I'm not here. I'm the camera.
It says here, stay at least 10 feet away from alligators with your canoe.
Oh no, alligator took my mother.
My mother.
Where's my wife?
Where's my mother?
No, wife.
Where's my wife?
We have to go back out and find her. What? I don't know that's
Find him and kill that alligator.
I need to find my mother. Hey,
Are those turtles?
Go. I'm hiding. Oh, look what's underneath us, guys. That rhymes with refrigerator.
I'm gonna call 911.
911. Oh my god!
I found you.
We found you!
I get button.
Good thing I killed that alligator.
Right.
No, say it.
Oh, good thing I killed that alligator.
See you later, crocodile.
See you later, crocodile.
Oh, anger, a little more anger.
See you later, crocodile.